Hello again. If you've watched Scotty Kilmer's channel, you'll recognize this setup where I have replaced the bulb and shield from my drop light, and I've installed one of these deformable LED bulbs. And you can see you can change the angle. And I like the idea of what I saw on Scotty's channel, but I wanted it to be a little more user-friendly than just to be able to use it as a drop light. Now, the stand that this is on is from an old unit that had a 300-watt halogen bulb on top. And the two things I really didn't care about that was how hot the top portion of the unit got. And the bulbs were extremely fragile and expensive. So you had to let the unit cool down before you moved it. The first thing I've done, I took some 3/8 Lexan and I made a bracket that mounts on the back of the LED housing. I came down, cut a piece of aluminum angle iron, made a slot, and now I can just loosen this and it comes right off the tripod. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So I just loosen this and it comes right off, and I can use it as a drop light. Or if I want, I can just slip it back on and it's back on the tripod. And this can be raised or lowered, and it's just really convenient. So there's two variations. It can be on the tripod, or I can use it as a regular drop light. The third thing I did was a piece of heavy-duty shrink tubing, and I shrunk it down around the handle of the drop light, put a couple of grommets there with a hook, and the third option, I can hang it up on the hood of my car or wherever, and now I've got a light down onto what I'm working. That's it for now. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and have a nice day.